Good morning. Today we are gonna play called the Pokemon. Now this is part 2. So we are going to the Viridian Forest. Let's go. Now we're gonna buy some. Now we're going to Pokemart. Okay, hide them behind you. Oh no, man. I think we're gonna buy potion. I 3. That will be 500. Okay, so no, now cancel. Good, thank you. Okay, now let's go. Okay, wrong way. And now, I've had many coffee now and I will drink. Sure, you can do it. True. Are you in a hurry? Yes. Time is money. Go. So, along. Let's go. Okay. We're gonna walk into this and now. Oh no. Wrong way. So. Oh, there's a ocean. But now we're going to this house. So we can talk this. Are you going to Viridian Forest? Be careful. It's natural maze. Okay. Ratatata may be small but bite is weak. Did you get one? Wait. Oh no, I forgot to give Poke Health. Okay, so we're going in way now. Let's go. Trainer tips. Weaken Pokemon before attempting capture. When healthy, they may escape. I came here with some friends. They're out for Pokemon fight. Okay. I ran out of Pokeballs to catch Pokemon with. You should carry extras. Okay. So it's Kakuna. Old Kakuna appeared. Tackle. Okay, Kakuna. Enemy Harden. Kakuna Rose. Enemy Kakuna is Harden. Another tackle. Become Harden. Okay. Enemy Kakuna is Harden. Enemy Kakuna defense Rose. Another tackle. Enemy Kakuna is Harden. Enemy Kakuna is Harden. Okay, you can use Pokeball. Oh no. Oh shit. Okay. Oh no. Okay, our happened. So another tackle. Enemy nothing happened. Okay. Another. Okay. Things red now. Pokeball 1. Okay. Okay, alright. Kakuna was caught. New Pokedex will be Kakuna. Almost incapable of moving, this Pokemon can only harden its shell to protect itself from predator. No. Okay, let's go. Okay, another fight. Hey, you have Pokemon, come on. It's battle M. Battle time. And now he's playing. So you're just a kid, bug catcher wants to fight. What's your Pokemon name? Okay, Weedle. Ratatata. Okay. I think our Pokemon just gonna change into Bulbasaur. Okay, enemy Weedle uses String Shot. Bulbasaur Speed Fell. Okay, so enemy Weedle use Poison but it's not effect because Bulbasaur is a grass type and Pokemon type. Okay, last one. And now he's dead. He's dead. Okay, good. Okay, change the Pokemon. Okay, Rattata grew to level 5. Okay, Bulbasaur. Bug Catcher sent out. Caterpie. Okay, Caterpie and now critical hit. Okay, 2 damage. But enemy Bulbasaur speed fell. Bulbasaur use tackle. Now last one. Enemy Caterpie use. Okay. Enemy Caterpie. Bulbasaur gain 37 points. Okay. Goods Bug Catcher no Caterpie. Can't cut it. Reds got 64 winning. Okay. We're going in here now. What's this? You can't jump but if you're a Pokemon trainer. If you're a Pokemon trainer. Okay, Bug Catcher wants to fight. Send out Needle. Okay. I think we're gonna change it into Bulbasaur. Okay, it's not affected. It's not bear affected. Tackle. Okay, enemy Weedle use Poison Sting. Okay, it's not bear effective. Okay, and now you're dead. Enemy Weedle fainted. Rattata gain 49. Okay. Bug Catcher sent out Kakuna. Use Tackle. Okay, enemy Kakuna use Harden. Wait, so we're gonna use Leech Seed. Okay, no PP left or so we're gonna use Tackle. Now it's dead. Okay. Nothing happened. 31. Okay, last two. Last to end our Kakunes. Gonna lose now. Okay, Bulbasaur just Tackle. Okay, goods. Bulbasaur gain 106. Bulbasaur grew to level 12. Okay, there's another one. So Tackle. But it failed. Okay. Last two. Okay, it's not affected. Okay, use Tackle. Okay, last one. Oh no, 30. But I'm gonna first now and you are dead, Weedle. Okay. Bulbasaur gain. Red defeated Bug Catcher. Now let's go. I run out of Pokemon. Okay, what's this? Okay. No. Oh, what's this? Red found antidote. Trainer tips. Contact proof of via PC to get your Pokédex evaluated. Okay? Now, I think I'm going in now. Okay. No way. No. Okay, nothing problem here. Trainer tips. No stealing of Pokemon from their trainer. Catch only wild Pokemon. What's this? Okay. Red found potion. Okay. Hey, what's up? What's the hurry? Okay, we're gonna fight now. No, not bug catcher. Okay. Sent out Fiddle. Okay, he's dead now. Okay, so change it to PG. Okay. Gus. Enemy Delwis use string shot. PG speed spell. Okay. Poison steam. Use is Gus. Okay, he's dead now. Critical hit. Enemy with Del fainted. Ratata gain. Root to level 6. Okay, red defeated bug catcher. I give you're good at this. Okay, now let's go. Leaving Viridian Forest, Pewter cities ahead. Okay, try. Okay, now we're in the Pewter city. Many Pokemon live only in forest and cave. You need to look everywhere to get different kinds. Have you noticed the bushes on the roadside? They can be cut down by special Pokemon move. Okay, there's a special move. So let's go now. Oh no. Okay. Trainer tips. Any Pokemon that takes apart in battle, however, short earn EXP. There aren't many serious Pokemon trainer here. There are like Bugcatcher, but Pewter Gym. Brock is totally into it. Okay, Brock. Who is Brock? Now, did you check out the museum? No. Really, you absolutely have to go. Okay, we're going now to museum. It's right here. You have to pay. Get in, but it's worth it. See you around. Okay, not going to pay it. Pewter Museum. Okay, I think there's a potion there. Need to see. Okay, there's a tree. Now we're going in. What's this? Nidoran Our Pokemon an outsider, so it's hard to handle. An outsider is your Pokemon that you get in a trade. It's grow fast, but it may ignore an unskilled trainer in battle. If only you have some badge. What is badge? Okay, and now what's this? Notice. The Chibs have been stealing Pokemon fossil at empty Mount Moon. Please call Pewter Police with any info. Okay, so we just check. What's this? Pass. Do you know what I'm doing? No. I'm spraying repel to keep Pokemon out of my garden. Okay. Pewter City, a stone gray city. It's a stone gray city. Now we're gonna do Poke Health. Welcome to our work to heal your Pokemon back to perfect health. Okay, we'll need your Pokemon. Thank you, your Pokemon are fighting fit. We hope to see you again, okay? Red turn on the PC. Someone PC. Okay, I think I'm gonna withdraw. Deposit. Okay, we're gonna deposit Kakuna. Kakuna was stored in the box. See ya. Logs off. Now we're go. Wait. Oh no. Yawn. When Jigglypuff wins in Pokemon get drowsy, me too. Snore. Okay. I think I will get Jigglypuff. Pokemon learn new technique as they grow, but some move must be taught by the trainer. Pokemon become easier to catch when they are hurt or asleep, but it's not a sure thing. Okay, so I'm gonna think is now I'm doing some catch Pokemon. Okay, our newest Pokemon is Weedle. Choose a Pokemon. Stats. Type 1 bug, type 2 poison. Poison steel. Wait. Now we're going the Pokédex. Okay, Sin, Caterpie, Weedle, Pidgey, Spearow, Nidoran. Okay. Rattata, Pidgey, Kakuna, Weedle, Caterpie. Okay, we did not get that. Okay. Kakuna is almost incapable of moving. This Pokemon can only harden its shell to protect itself. Okay. Now next. Nidoran. So we need more Nidoran. Weedle. Often found in forests eating leaves. It has a sharp, venomous sting on its head. So that's for all today video. See you next video and goodbye. Bye bye.